In today's video, I'll teach you how to copy TikTok caption. So first of all, launch open TikTok on your device. You can see over here TikTok has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. Find the video from which you want to copy the caption. Now under the name of the person who uploaded the video, you'll be able to see the caption. If you tap on it, you'll be able to see full caption over here, but you'll not be able to copy it. There is no inbuilt feature in TikTok in order to copy the caption. But there's a trick that you can do. For that, what you can do is simply use Google Lens in order to copy the text. For that, first of all, take the screenshot. In most of the devices, what you have to do is simply press the volume down button and power button at the same time. Now after you do that, you can see over here the screenshot has been taken. Now what you have to do is simply go to the photos. Now you'll be able to see the photo that you just took over here. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, Google Lens. Now you can see over here the Google Lens will be open. Now you'll be able to copy the text. So what you have to do is simply tap on the caption. Now once you do that, select the caption like this. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find this option for copy. Tap on it. Now you can see over here the text has been copied. So like this, you'll be able to copy the TikTok caption. So that is how you copy TikTok caption. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.